notice my background is looking a little bit different. So I have decorated for Halloween, so let's get started. So right over here is where the people would trick or treat. And all of the stuff is like the patio is decorated. And then whenever we come inside, here's the kids' playroom. Here's our pumpkin art supply. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Here's the time out corner, almost the same. Here's the living room fire, and then the living room where they sit. And then here's the kitchen. Here's the guest bathroom, and then here is the office. And now let's move on to the upstairs. The upstairs area, so let's get started. So right over here we have the balconies. Here's where you can sit. Maybe you could grill. There's a lovely fire. There's some pool floats, a beach ball, and a swing. And right here, since it's kind of like old and Halloweeny, there's not much stuff here. There's a watering can, a fountain, and I'm not really sure what this is. I thought it looked cool though. So now moving on, so here is the parent bedroom, their closet, a place where they can sleep, and their bed, and a place with lots of pumpkins. And now here is the bathroom, so it's very old, not very like cool. Here is Stella's room. Stella's room is right here. And right over here, there is mine and Riley's room. And we have like a wall that has like lots of Halloween stuff. Here's our table. And then here is our closet. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me and my Halloween house. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!